Hello friends, welcome to MS English platform. Today I am with a new topic, that is power of words. That is power of words. All of we have known that very well. The sound which is coming through our mouth, that is word. When we speak a lot of words together, that is making a sentence, or that is called a sentence. The word is used to speak, to share thought, expression and ideas, to make each others understand. Words plays the major role to communication. The way of exchanging your ideas, thoughts and expression to each other, that is called communication. Best communication is the most powerful solution of our life. All creatures have the unique communication to each other according to the science, which they use to communicate to each other. And without communicating, nothing is possible in this life. To make better the communication, we are doing our practice every day, because it is the biggest communication. To make it properly well or better, we are investing our time in it. And whose communication is not good, he is getting failure at anywhere. Good communication is a real power of a speaker. Good communication is the real identity of an educated person and sensitive people. If the communication got stronger, in whose communication began to be exchanged, whose conversation is better, he is the winner. And the rest of the time is spent in the process. But who wants to know the level of communication, philosophy of communication, science of communication, he will always win in the market. By the communication, all the solution can be taken. The world's biggest solutions come through the words. And I hope you will learn to communicate better. You will start to play games on the words. The words bring lights in your life. You can make your life brightness using of words. So whenever you are talking with someone, you recognize the power of words. Words are the real partner of your life. Words are the real partner in the journey of your life. Then dear friends, if you like my videos, if you want to see this type of video, then subscribe me and comment me on the comment box. Thank you very much.